How to import database via phpMyAdmin in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left side of this interface, click the database where you want to import the database file. A window opens on the right side. Different options are available to perform various operations on the database. Go and click the Import option. Some boxes are already checked to complete the import process. You may uncheck them as per your requirements. Either you can drag and drop the file or you can browse your computer. Let's click the Browse button. It opens a browsing window for the computer. Select the file you want to upload. Click the Open button. Here, it shows the name of the selected file. There is also a limit of 500 MB that is enough for this SQL database. Now scroll down and click the Go button. That's it. We have successfully imported the file into the database. Thank you for watching.